Hi, Jesse here from SnapSolar. Today we're at the Mackay Expo showcasing the newest addition to our product range, the AIKO ABC panel. What we're going to do is run through a bit of a live demonstration for you guys to show just what's so good about this panel and why we're all so excited. So follow me. Alrighty, so what we've got is we've got the new panel AIKO and an existing technology panel, and we've got a couple of little water fountains connected to these just to give a visual representation of how it's performing and how the solar's running those. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a bit of a pretend shading effect. So basically this is just simulating a bit of shade on the panels that you've probably got on your roof now, and if you look at the fountain you can see that as the shade, no shade, a little bit of shade, it can see that you're cutting off the power. So what's pretty cool about the new technology in the ABC panel is that the shading, as you can see, I'm doing the same shading here, and it's actually not really affecting it as much. And the reason for that is these panels have a cell bypass technology. So instead of it bypassing like a heap of the panel with a bit of shade, it's only going to bypass whatever cells have been affected by that shade. So that's going to give you an improved efficiency and output of that panel through all weather conditions and all shading issues, which is really cool. Alright, so if you want more information about this panel, just get in contact with SnapSolar and we're more than happy to help you guys out.